Hi, I'm going to show you how to log into Google Classroom and begin your first assignment for photography. Once you're logged into your Gmail, you're going to click on your app patch in the upper right hand corner, and you're going to click on Drive. And once you are in your Google Drive, you can click on your app patch again, click on More, Classroom. Now you can choose which class, and I'm going to click on photography. And now you can see your first assignment is line. Show me your best 6 images using line as a design element. Use the Google slideshow that is attached. Please read the titles so that you know which picture goes where. Be sure to save your images to your Google Drive also. And I have a YouTube video showing you how to save your images to Google Drive if you need that. And you also want to save your images to Animoto. So your Animoto video, how to do that, is down here. So for this assignment, I'm going to click Open. And here is the assignment right here. It's already started for me, so I'm going to click on it to open the Google slideshow. On your left, this is all of the slides that you will have in your project, and I've already written what you need to have on each slide. This is where your own 6 images are going to go. The second one is where your practice images from the internet are. Your 3rd through 8th slide is where your images are going to go, but you're going to enlarge your images and make them nice and big on each slide. These are the same ones that you've used on slide number 1, but on slide number 1, you're giving me a preview of your images. So you're going to load 6 images on here. So to do that, I'm going to click on Photos, and I will need to find the images that I have uploaded and perhaps even edited. So I'm going to scroll through, and for example, let's say I want this one right here. Well, I would like to put it on there, onto the slide, but it doesn't go there automatically. So first I have to click on it and drag and drop it over to my desktop. And then I need to do that for each image that I want to place on my slideshow. And these are images that I have taken. So for example, if I was going to turn this one in, I would drag and drop it onto my slide. Now I need to resize it, but if I resize it like this, it's going to squish down my image and it's not going to really look right. So to resize, I only want to grab from the outer right hand corner or the left hand corner or the bottom corner, and I'm going to resize it that way. Now I need to put 6 images here. I'm going to delete this so that I have more space and it looks nice. Now I'm going to place my next image from my desktop, and I'm going to resize that one as well. Place it on my page. So now I will have room for 6 images. On my second slide, this is where my images from the internet are going to go. I'm going to create a new tab here to work on this part, and I'm going to click on Images, and on Images I'm going to search Photography and Line. Here's another way of clicking on it. I can click here, or Line Element, because we're doing the principles and elements of design. I can drag this tab off to the side so that I can be working with 2 different screens at the same time. I like this picture here for my example. I'm going to drag and drop it onto my screen to resize. I'm only going to resize for my corner. Look for another line picture. And maybe I like this one right here. So I'm going to click and drag. And I would prefer that you do your warm-up page, the 6 internet examples first before you go out to take pictures. But since we need to take turns on the computer, you might end up, and taking turns with the camera, you might end up going to take pictures first and then doing your examples later. So I'm going to have 6 pictures from the internet on this slide. Now on this one, this is where I'm going to use the ones from up here. So maybe I want to right click and click on copy, and that one's going to be my best one, so I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to need to make it nice and big, but you know what, I also want to delete this off the back so that it looks better. And I can make this image the exact size that I need it by resizing only from the corner. Still a little bit big. So I'm going to place it right in the center. And then I'm going to do the same with this slide, but with my next best picture. So I'm actually going to copy, right click, copy, and right click, paste this image on the second slide. So now I'm showcasing my best 6 pictures. Now don't forget, when you go out to take your pictures, you don't want to only take 6 pictures. You want to take a lot of pictures and then find your best 6. Okay, so now I'm looking good here. Let's say I finish all of that. I don't want to click on the share button, but what I want to do is go back to the assignment, and then I can click on the turn in button. And yes, I do want to turn this in now if I'm all complete. And now right here in the upper right hand corner, it shows me that I am done with my assignment and I have turned it in.